In this session, I'm excited to introduce Bluu ScaNGo, a powerful new feature that makes registering items faster, more accurate, and more convenient. I'll walk you through how to configure and use it effectively across Bluu.inc, Bluu Retail, and Bluu Retail Pro. While each platform has its own interface, the general process for using Bluu ScaNGo is very similar across all applications. Bluu ScaNGo allows merchants to quickly register items not yet listed in their database. Without this feature, merchants would need to manually enter each item, which can be time-consuming and error-prone. This tool streamlines that process, making item registration quick and efficient. Let's dive in! Let's start with Bluu.inc. To use Bluu ScaNGo, the feature needs to be enabled from the server side. Once activated, a new option called Cloud Item Master will appear in the back office. Under Use Cloud Item, set the option to Yes. Under Business Type, select All and then click Save. After saving these settings, be sure to restart the Bluu.inc application to sync the changes. Now, using Bluu ScaNGo is simple. Start by scanning the barcode or manually entering it in POS mode. If the barcode doesn't match an existing item in the merchant's database, the system will automatically search for a match in the cloud database. If a match is found, the item details will appear. Tap Select to view the full item information. From here, the merchant can set the price, adjust any information that doesn't meet their standards, and tap Create New Item. Once the item is created, it is immediately saved to the merchant's database and ready for checkout. After that, scanning the same barcode will automatically ring up the newly added item. Next, let's look at how Bluu ScaNGo works on Bluu Retail. The setup process is exactly the same as on Bluu.inc. Enable the feature from the server side, then navigate to the Cloud Item Master section in the back office. Set Use Cloud Item to Yes, select All under Business Type, and click Save. As always, remember to restart the Bluu Retail application to apply the changes. Using Bluu ScaNGo on Bluu Retail is almost identical to Bluu.inc. Start by scanning or manually entering the barcode in the Sales section under POS mode. If the barcode doesn't match any existing items in the merchant's database, the system will search the cloud database for a match. If a match is found, the item details will appear. Tap Select to view the item's full information. The merchant can set the price, adjust the item's details, and tap OK. After tapping OK, the item is saved to the database, and from that point on, scanning the same barcode will ring up the newly added item automatically. Finally, let's go through how Bluu ScaNGo works on Bluu Retail Pro. While the process of using the feature is similar, configuring it is a bit different. To configure Bluu ScaNGo on Bluu Retail Pro, go to the back office and navigate to Other, then Add-on, then Cloud Service, and finally Service Setting. Enter the necessary information as shown on the screen and click Save. After saving, restart the POS program to ensure the settings are fully synchronized. Using the feature on Bluu Retail Pro is almost the same as on the other platforms. Scan or manually enter the barcode in Sales under POS mode. If the barcode doesn't match an item in the database, the system will search the cloud for a match. If it finds a match, the item's details will appear. The merchant can set the price, adjust any item details as necessary, and tap OK. Once the item is confirmed, it is saved to the database, and from then on, scanning the same barcode will automatically ring up the newly created item. And that wraps up our guide on how to configure and use the Bluu ScaNGo feature. Whether you're using Bluu.inc, Bluu Retail, or Bluu Retail Pro, this feature helps streamline your item registration process and enhances efficiency. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out to our support team.